So we put together the assembling area for now. The real hobby house is under construction, but this will do for now. All parts for the main chassis is down, and I will be starting gluing that together. These are all the parts for the main body, all the details. We have the gun, the protection for the gun, all the interiors. All these need to be cleaned, cut and cleaned. All the edges needs to be fixed. We need to glue together all parts that are divided in two. We need to put together all the hinges. The materials to put the hinges are ordered and are on the way. We have the knives and tools here, so we can cut everything. So this will be the main project to start with now. And while that is going on, we have printed the gearbox where the engine will sit. And we also started to printing all the parts for driving it. This will be going underneath. So it will be sitting under this. So we put this together. And then we will start putting this together.